Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey down at Truck Market in Memphis, bringing you, actually going to show you two trucks in the same video today, mainly focusing on this blue one, but we've got a pair of 2020 Freightliner Coronado glider kits built with factory reman Detroit's 13 speeds. Both have 136,000 miles. Got this blue one and then this orange one as well. Same exact trucks. I've gotten this blue one warm, so I'm going to do a full walk around. It's still got a year of warranty left with it on the engine, through the factory Detroit reman. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, blow by oil pressure. Let's get rolling. Both Southern trucks, so there's no rust on them. Body and paint are in excellent condition. These would be nice if you're looking for a pair or just one. As well, nice match Michelin's on the rear. Loaded up on the interior as well. Got matched leather seats, full cabinets in the back. Appreciate you watching. If you got interest in this one or the orange one there in front, or both, just to let me know. You can hit me up anytime, 901-896-4526. Thanks.